I just wanted to thank you for having your child attend our Buddy Day that they were at earlier, either yesterday or the day before. And we put together a little compilation of your child in action here down at Currents Karate. Also, I'd like to offer you a free 1-month trial program in our school. And the only thing that you need to do is to purchase a uniform for your child to take part in our school for $20. So it's a pretty neat thing is we're doing a VIP offer, which is 4 weeks of karate lessons and a uniform for only $20. If that's something you're interested in, check out the number below, and we look forward to talking with you shortly.